What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, pretty much I need to finish organizing the garage, get everything in my toolbox so I can get the Hellcat washed and put away. As you can see, the snowflakes are now flying, but last night it was raining and we got this truck caught in a rainstorm. It definitely does need to be at least power washed. It's like 30 degrees out. I honestly want to take it to a power wash like station. However, it's like so far away to find one that actually accepts credit cards, so I'm just might actually do it and power wash it right here and freeze my nuts off. But owning 3 vehicles is both a blessing and not. Pretty much I want to drive that because it gets the most attention. I want to drive that because it's pretty darn fast, and then I want to drive this because it's just really fun. However, I was going to drive the truck right now, get it out, just stretch its legs again. However, it's now snowing, so that's not going to happen. But also 30-degree weather and summer tires that have like no tread on them, also not fun. So we'll take the Chevy, which isn't a bad thing. I love this truck. And later in today's video, we're actually gonna be ordering parts for this truck. I'm gonna take you guys along and show you guys something that a lot of people don't do. I'm gonna show you the back end of ordering parts for vehicles like this on the internet. Tempted because I've been I've texted him multiple times to see if he can get me a hookup on some tint. However, maybe we do this eBay style, like pre-cut tint. We might do that because why not? Definitely need to restore this tint. Definitely need to do a new headliner in here, and definitely need to get these body panels ordered and some other things ordered so we can get cooking on this build. Now, with it being winter, it is a little bit more challenging to get some stuff done, so we're gonna make do with what we have. First things first, a lot of people are asking me, when is this merch and stuff going for sale? Where can I buy a hoodie? When can I buy a hoodie? What's your website? It's all gonna go live after the first of the year. With the holidays coming up and all the shipping and receiving, and it's just gonna be a mess. I would rather wait till after the holidays and start. Probably the first of the year. The website will be up. I got stuff coming. Stuff just showed up yesterday. Shirts coming. I got hats coming. Stuff like that. So stay tuned. First of the year, everything should be ready to go. But just keep checking back, and I'll confirm that very soon. But I for sure wanted to show you guys the other half of this. And I hear something squeaking out there. Fun. But I want to show you guys the other half of building a truck that most people don't see, and that's the parts ordering process. Most people just see parts show up or it goes to a shop and it's done, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to order parts for this truck. Also means I need to look at welders, body filler. It is absolutely freezing here, 32 degrees according to my 2004 high-tech mirror here. 32. So fun. Alright, just got a haircut, literally just touch up. It looks so much better. Oh my goodness. Anyway, regardless, I'm over here trying to I don't think I want to give it away. I honestly don't, because it's like a special surprise for this truck that I want to do that's just going to completely change your typical build. It's literally showing you, getting down to the nitty-gritty of it, so I might have to make a few phone calls tomorrow so we can get this underway. Also, if anyone's got a regular cab Silverado with a 6-inch lift on it, can you measure to your cab height, the top of your cab, and tell me how tall it is? I gotta see if I can lift this thing in my garage and be able to pull it out without getting stuck in there, because that would be kind of a disappointment. I'll probably leave the stock tires on to obviously pull it in or out, but that'd be quite the disappointment if I couldn't get it out of the garage once lifted. Well guys, a tale of wintertime has struck again, and yeah, it's dark outside, so washing the truck is definitely not going to happen. I want to get all these body panels ordered so we can get working on it. And obviously stuff down the road, we'll definitely be getting headlights, grill, mirrors, bunch of other things. I mean, we'll be doing the exhaust, the lift, the wheels, the tires, all that stuff. But I want to get these body panels ordered ASAP so we can get this rolling. Ooh. Okay guys, now this is probably a part of the video or part of any build that you normally do not see. And this is not really the fun part for me because we're gonna have to spend some money. That's kind of how this all comes about. But literally gonna do 2004 Chevy 1500. Just do inner rocker panels and just regular cab. So I have been looking. So obviously you see Ray Buck Auto here. That seems to make a decent website, Rock Auto. is a very popular website for parts in general. So let's see what we have here. So I've heard a lot of good things about Rock Auto actually. Honestly, we will need a cab corner, so let's see what we got here. Extended cab, extended, 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 crew, 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 standard. Fun. Awesome. So let's find some info here. This is not at all what I meant, but just to see if it was actually like steel. I would assume it's a steel cab corner. So I've heard a lot of people order stuff from Rock Auto. I never have. So what we're gonna do is add this to the cart. Please don't like change screens. I'm gonna add the other side cab corner to the cart. Inner standard cab. Let's add that. Rear left, rear right. No. Inner left standard cab. I need inner right standard cab. Right standard cab. Add bedside. Let's see what we got for bedside. Yeah, these are all out of stock. I don't have a full bedside anywhere near in stock. Yes, these are the panels we'll need. They're 40 bucks about each. A right and a left upper. We'll add those. I don't know if I'm doing off-road bumpers or not yet, so we'll hold off on that for now. I think I've seen some of like the black bumpers elsewhere, so we may do that. But for right now, I just want to get these body panels done, and we'll decide on bumpers later. Tailgate. Let's see what we got here. $235. $230. That'll do 400, 600 bucks. Oof. $598. That's a lot, and a lot of money. We could try and rebuild the old tailgate. The blanket just appears at a shot. No, you're good. I'm trying to decide if I should order this tailgate or not. It's $235, so it turns my repair bill from like 300 and something. Now the tailgate, I can like buy all the parts to like repair the one I have for probably not 230 bucks.
See what it consists of to fix it.
It's gonna need a new handle, bezel, the inner like contraption. That's a little, it's just rusty because the bezel fell off. And then you probably need the hinge points because those are a bit rusty. So it's like rebuilding a whole tailgate. Not a bad video, and it saves me some money. But it's also easier just to swap the tailgate. Do the fixing one. Alright guys, Katie has spoken. She told me to ditch this tailgate and order all the parts to repair the one I have, which isn't a bad option. It'll save me some money as well. So we're going to remove that from the cart, and we're going to check out our cart here. Apparently we have 8 items in here.
Goodness.
I know. And $362. Obviously doing it at home. $0 in labor. Not that bad of a gig. So we're going to check out here. Definitely not going to show you guys that. Oh, alright guys, I found this interesting thing here. I don't know how I would achieve this, or if I will, but they have a full replacement kit for the buttons on the stock radio, if I'm going to keep that or go aftermarket. That's interesting. Okay, well, I don't think I can find a headliner on here, but as you can see, look at this. The shipping, if I wanted it Wednesday, this week it is Sunday, if I order it Wednesday, it would be like $200 to ship, but normal FedEx shipping is about 83 bucks, and it will get us here up to, with tax, $482 in parts. So less than 500 bucks, $0 in labor because we'll be doing it ourselves. Not bad. If you took that to a body shop, I mean, you're talking a couple grand for a truck that's definitely only worth that. So definitely the way to go. Right, and I was just doing some searching online, and what we found here, literally Amazon, 79 bucks. So a new tailgate was like 230, but 79 bucks we can have the 12-piece rebuild kit with both latches, new inner handle, cables, and all that stuff. But we can have that for 79 bucks, no problem. So we're also saving money ordering this, not buying a whole new tailgate. Alright guys, so not gonna lie, ordered all those parts. Those should be here tomorrow. I'm gonna take a look at welders. Some of you are gonna be like, well, it's $400, but you gotta buy a welder. Well, like I said, it's kind of like your collection of tools. You're not going to start with any tools. Even when I did the bed liner, some of you guys are like, well, you had to buy the plastic and the other stuff and the tape. And I'm like, yeah, that's part of it. But if you have the tape around, you can use it for more than one project. So there will always be the little extra added costs for that. So I'm going to look at welders, but I can use it for this truck. I can use it for other things. I can fab stuff. So it's a multi-purpose thing, and once you have it, you can always use it. Same thing with it. Maybe might be selling this compressor and get a larger compressor, stuff like that, so we can do with painting and stuff. Yeah, guys, we ordered more than those body panels. After that, I got a little carried away on Amazon and other websites, but we'll be repairing the tent soon. We'll be doing some interior lighting soon, exterior lighting soon. What else did I order? I ordered a bunch of crap. I'm gonna have to find some headliner material. It looks like I'm honestly gonna have to do it myself. They don't make a whole replacement headliner, so I'll have to get some new material and strip the old one, put the new on. That's gonna be a project, I know. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I want to take you guys behind the scenes of stuff like this. This is stuff nobody really shows you. Between holiday gifts and truck parts, we're gonna have lots and lots of packages this week. I talked to a few companies this week as well, so we can figure out some stuff for rust prevention and stuff like that. And we'll sooner than later we'll be getting the bed off that truck. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I'm excited for this build. Hopefully this gets you a little bit excited because we got lots of stuff coming, and the Chevy is gonna get underway here super quick. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.